Hey there. Today we're going to show you how easy it is to create a trades website. Like say you're a plumber or electrician, we can get this built on WordPress in less than 10 minutes using AI and the hosting your account. So check this out. We're going to do this right now together. So once you have an account with Hostinger, you can basically use their WordPress AI Content Creator. I've got other videos about this where I created an agency website in 10 minutes. You can check that out as well, but let's just get going here. So we're going to create a website. We're going to go from scratch. Let's say you don't have nothing, and we're going to jump right in here. We're going to go with WordPress because it's my favorite by far, most flexible, most versatile and scalable. So we're going to go with that. Nothing wrong with their builder, but we're just going to go with WordPress. So I'm just going to set up my account, and we're going to build a business services website. Here we'll pick some sections, so we can pick different themes here. These are pre-built websites. Let's find something that's kind of like, look at this one. This is air conditioning services. Most roll out plumbing services. Let's go with plumbing. Let's just take this one as our starting point. These are a bunch of plugins you can add. These are useful. I actually like Google Sitekit. I have a video that I explain why this is important and how you can add it to your site, but we're going to add it right in here now. And we're going to get rid of this one because we don't want to use that. We want to use Google Sitekit, and we don't need any of these. So again, you can add as many as you want or just not have them. So let's call this like the plumbing. Oops. There we go. We'll call this the Plumbing Company of Toronto. Okay, so the Plumbing Company of Toronto provides all round services to home owners and commercial businesses. Service, or let's say customer service, is our top priority. So this, again, the better your description of your business, the better the AI is going to be able to use that to build out the whole website, because it's going to fill in page content, really get you started and build fairly quickly. So we could add way more here, like we service the Toronto. So we can basically add those things, Toronto and surrounding area. Get more specific if you're in like a small town or what have you. You just add that. You know, you can talk about your services, but let's say get free custom quotes, new bathrooms, or let's just, there we go. We're fine with that. Let's just go with that and let's see what we can build with this. So we're going to use a temporary domain. Again, if you don't have a domain, you can get one right here. Just search for it, and then you can add it, and your website will have a domain. We're going to just use a temporary domain just for this example. And right now, what you're seeing happening is, you're getting a hosting account set up. You're getting WordPress installed on that hosting account. You're getting all of those plugins that you selected installed into that account, and here it's creating that user account so you can log in. It takes a little bit of time, lots of work going on in the background. This is what automation is like, though. It's saving so much time. If you had to do this all manually, it would literally take hours to just get this set up if you've never done it before. So again, this AI tool is really helpful. Here it's adding the theme and the styles, so it's now kind of doing a bit of the actual design, creating actual pages, in your WordPress account, starting to write content for those pages, and inserting it and building it all out. So takes a bit of time, but the patience is worth it. So here we are. We've landed now in your H-panel dashboard. So this is the dashboard on your Hostinger account where you can, see what's going on. You can see where you can add your domain and all of that. So this is the website we have right now. Obviously, if you had selected a domain name, it would show up here. But we're going to just look at what was built right out of the box in that first 2 minutes. So here we go. You have a plumbing site. So again, you have to insert your logo. But we've got like a whole page here and all this content. So line plumbing, drain cleaning, sprinkler work, water heaters, and much more. Don't hesitate to contact our team. So all of this has been done. There's great content, images brought in. This is intended to basically give you a starting point or a complete site you're just ready to use. So you can go in and edit all of these, different sections, all your services, your phone number, obviously, these pictures as well. Bring in your own customer testimonials. All of this stuff will help you to, show off your business, pictures of work that you're doing, and all this stuff. So you're ready to go. Pages as well. If you look up here, you've got access to, an About Us page. You write your own mission, update the core values. Again, very quickly gives you a website and a clean presence. Here on the services page, you can highlight all the services. It gave you a whole bunch, based off of what we did. Here's a whole bunch of services. And then we have, a contact us page. So this is where, again, they can send a message, shows up in an email. There's some configuration that needs to be done, but you get the ideas. You've got a website ready to go, customized for your industry, and it's that easy. When you go back to your hosting account panel here, you click into the admin panel, and this will take you directly into the WordPress a dashboard where you can then start to edit your website that was just built. So we'll look here. This brings you into the Hostinger, dashboard here, where it can help you walk through the website setup. So updating your logo, like we talked about. You can even use an AI logo maker if you don't have a logo, which makes it very easy to, simply just get AI to generate something for you. So another great tool. Got to log in for that, but that's for another video. So again, edit your post descriptions. There's all kinds of stuff you can do to just kind of get your last bits set up. And again, I've got another video on this generating content with AI to help write blog posts. Because again, when we look at what we've done as part of this, is this also created some blog posts and generated some decent stuff around our company, the plumbing company in Toronto. So again, just a wonderful tool to help with SEO and get you as a business owner started off quickly, with a good website and something that can, just get you running without having to do a lot of work in building tons of content. So again, those are posts. These are the pages. Again, editing these are fairly simple. You can go directly into the home page, which is, the home page we had shown there, which you see here. And all this can be edited. So if you want to replace these images, you simply click replace, open up your media. You can upload, or you can look for other stock images that work for you. So let's say we wanted this one. We're going to change that image, and there we go. Change the text, make it yours, update, and you've published it. So that gets you started pretty quick. We're only like 9 minutes into this video, and we already have a shell of a website that can be modified in probably a few hours of editing and published and ready to go, so you can start marketing your business. I hope this has been helpful. I think it's worth a lot of effort to try this out and check it out. It is definitely one of the fastest ways I've found to build websites now, to really get up and running in minutes rather than hours and days. So you can check out a link to the Hostinger hosting company down below that actually provides this AI service. I highly recommend it. If you click the link for my referral link, you get 20% off of your hosting account. Definitely worth a try. Please like this video, share with your friends. If you have any comments or questions, please mark them down below. And please subscribe to the channel. Lots more videos like this helping you grow your business to come. Thanks again. I'm Craig. Have an awesome day.